Welcome to us. I am Mahmoud Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some question from DP1 AASL exercise 5C, question number 5, exponential function chapter. 5. Solve for x. Number A, 4 to the power x minus 6 bracket 2 to the power x plus 8 equals to 0. So at first we try to do number 5a. This is 5a. 4 to the power x minus 6 bracket 2 to the power x plus 6 plus 8 equals to 0. So 4 to the power x, we can write 2 square. R is x minus 6 2 to the power x plus 8 equals to 0. Now we can write 2 to the power x whole square. We know that index form 2 to the power 2x, we can write 2 to the power x whole square because power, both of this power multiply each other. Minus 6 2 to the power x plus 8 equals to 0. Now let 2 to the power x equals to a. So a square minus 6a plus 8 equals to 0. If we do factorization, we'll get a square minus 4a minus 2a plus 8 equals to 0. After that, a common, a minus 4 minus 2 common, a minus 4 equals to 0. So it will be a minus 4 into a minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, a minus 4 equals to 0 or a minus 2 equals to 0. So a equals to 4. Instead of a, we can write here 2 to the power x. So 4 we can write as an index form 2 square. And we know that if both of this base same between equal sign, so power will be equal. So x equals to 2. Here a equals to 2. Instead of a, we can write 2 to the power x. So 2 power is 1. So x equals to 1. Final answer, x equals to 2 and x equals to 1. So this is number A. Number B, 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. 4 minus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. So instead of 4, we can write 2 square power x minus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. We can write 2 to the power x whole square minus 2 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. Now, let 2 to the power x equals to b. So, b square minus b minus 2 equals to 0. If we do factorization, b square minus 2b plus b minus 2 equals to 0. If we take common b, it will be b minus 2. If we take common 1, it will be b minus 2 equals to 0. Finally, b minus 2, b plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, b minus 2 equals to 0 or b plus 1 equals to 0. So b equals to 2. Instead of b, we can write here 2 to the power x. 2 power is 1. So if both of these base same, power will equal. So x equals to 1. Here b equals to minus 1. B equals to 2 to the power x, but index form never be equals to negative. So 2 to the power x is not equals to minus 1. Exponential function never be equals to negative. So 2 to the power x is not equals to minus 1. So our answer will be x equals to 1. Number B, 5B completed. Now question number C, 9 to the power x minus 12 bracket 3 to the power x plus 27. So 9 we can write 3 square whole to the power x minus 12 3 to the power x plus 27 equals to 0. So 3 square power x, we can write 3 to the power x whole square minus 12 3 to the power x plus 27 equals to 0. Now let 3 to the power x equals to c. So you can write here c square minus 12c plus 27 equals to 0. Now c square, it will be minus 9c minus 3c plus 27 equals to 0. If we take c common, it will be c minus 9. If we take common 3, it will be c minus 9 equals to 0. So c minus 9 multiply c minus 3 equals to 0. After that, you can write here c minus 9 equals to 0 or c minus 3 equals to 0. C equals to 9. Instead of c, we can write 3 to the power x. Instead of 9, we can write 3 square. If both of these base same, power will be equal. And here c equals to 3. So 3 to the power x equals to 3 to the power 1. If both of these base same, power will be equal. So final answer, x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. Now 5c completed. 5d, 9 to the power x equals to 3 to the power x plus 6. 5d, 9 to the power x equals to 3 to the power x plus 6. So instead of 9, we can write 3 square whole to the power x minus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. After that, we can write 3 to the power x power whole 2 whole square minus 3 to the power x minus 6 equals to 0. Now let 3 to the power x equals to a. So it will be a square minus a minus 6 equals to 0. So if we do factorization, we get a minus 3, a minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, a minus 3 equals to 0 or a minus 2 equals to 0. So a equals to 3 or a equals to 2. Now a equals to 3. So instead of a, we can write here 3 to the power x equals to 3 to the power 1. So both of these base same power will equal x equals to 1 or a equals to 2. So 3 to the power x equals to so here it will be a plus 1, a plus 2 bracket equals to 0. So a equals to minus 2. So exponential graph function never be equals to negative. So 3 to the power x is not equals to minus 2. So final answer, x equals to 1. Now 5D completed. Now 5E to the power 25 to the power x minus 23 bracket 5 to the power x minus 50 equals to 0. Now question number 5AE, 25 to the power x minus 23 bracket 5 to the power x minus 50. So 25, we can write 5 square power x minus 23 bracket 5 to the power x minus 50 equals to 0. So it will be 5 to the power x whole square minus 23 5 to the power x minus 50 equals to 0. Now we'll say let whatever x equals to a, so it will be a square minus 23a minus 50 equals to 0. For that, we have to do the factorization. A square minus 25a plus 2a minus 50 equals to 0. If you take common a, it will be a minus 25. If you take common 2, it will be a minus 25 equals to 0. So after that, a minus 25, a plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, a minus 25 equals to 0, a equals to 25. Instead of a, we can write here 5 to the power x. Instead of 25, we can write 5 square. If both of these base same, power will equal. So x equals to 2 or a equals to minus 2. So exponential curve function never be equals to negative. So final answer x equals to 2. Now the last one, number f, 49 to the power x plus 1 equals to 2 bracket 7 to the power x. F number 49 to the power x plus 1 equals to 2 bracket 7 to the power x. Instead of 49, we can write 7x whole square minus 2 7 to the power x plus 1 equals to 0. Now let 7 to the power x equals to t. So you can write here t square minus 2t plus 1 equals to 0. So if we do factorization, you can finally get t minus 1 whole square equals to 0. Therefore, t minus 1 equals to 0, t equals to 1. So when t equals to 1, instead of t, you can write here 7 to the power x. Instead of 1, you can write here 7 to the power 0. Any number power, if it is 0, it is 1. So both of these base same, power will be equal, so x equals to 0. Final answer, x equals to 0. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all. If you have any confusion, please contact with me. Thanks.